Okay. How to fill prescriptions online, tips on getting your medication without going to a pharmacy, and how to stay safe. Pharmacy apps today. Almost every major pharmacy offers online prescription refills and delivery. Filling prescriptions online is relatively easy to learn and does not require much upkeep, automatic refills. Physical barriers no longer keep you from getting your medication on time. Online prescription refills can help you achieve some independence from caregivers. With any mobile device, cell phone or tablet or computer, laptop or desktop, you can learn how to use the apps and websites easily and always be in control and on top of your medications. Why refill prescriptions online? Flexibility and convenience. Your hours are the new pharmacy hours. Same services available. Whatever you do in person can be done online. Sometimes other conveniences you don't get in person too. Easy to set up and use. Fill out a simple form online or download the app and follow setup instructions. Why refill prescriptions online? There's an option for automatic prescription refill. It keeps your medication schedule. It will prevent you from missing doses. Minimize contact with others. It allows you to minimize contact with others and potential exposure to viruses such as the coronavirus. How much does it cost to have my prescription delivered? It costs around $5 or more. Most pharmacies offer 1 to 2 day delivery for around $7, though this may vary depending on your pharmacy. If you are filling out the prescription online and picking it up in person to avoid lines, this service is free. Does my pharmacy do online refills? Major pharmacies like CVS, Costco, Walgreens, London Drugs, and Walmart all do online refills. Independent pharmacies don't generally do online refills, but they probably do over the phone refills, so you can give them a call. Online refills. Filling prescriptions online can be done from your computer or from mobile apps. It also allows you to have automatic monthly refills. The use of online refills. To skip lines if you're picking up or having prescriptions delivered right to your door. How to stay safe with online pharmacies. If you're using an online pharmacy you are not familiar with, you must be extra careful. Some pharmacies may look trustworthy, but sometimes they may not be. You must check first if the online pharmacy is legitimate. Signs of fraudulent online pharmacies in USA. The online pharmacy allows you to buy the prescription without a valid prescription from your physician. The pharmacy does not have a US state license to answer your questions, offers the prescription for a very low price. They will send you constant emails offering cheap medicines, and the pharmacy is located outside the United States and ships the prescription worldwide. Signs of fraudulent online pharmacies in Canada. It does not require you a valid prescription from your physician. They offer drugs that they claim to be a miracle cure for your serious condition, offers drugs for a very low price, or sometimes they put it in discount. They ship the medicine worldwide, does not provide a business address, and is located outside of Canada. Signs of safe online pharmacies in USA. The pharmacy requires a valid prescription from your doctor or other licensed physicians. The pharmacy is licensed by the State Board of Pharmacy. They have a US state license to answer your questions. The pharmacy is located in USA and they provide their street address. Those are all good signs of a safe online pharmacy. You can use the National Association of Boards of Pharmacy and the Food and Drug Administration websites to find regulated versus unregulated online pharmacies. Signs of a safe online pharmacy in Canada. Requires a prescription from your physicians that are licensed in Canada. The pharmacy is licensed by the provincial and territorial regulatory authority in Canada. They have a Canadian license to answer your questions and is located in Canada and provides their street address. Time to get started. To find your pharmacy's app or website, do a Google search on a computer or go to the App Store or Google Play and type your pharmacy's name in the search bar and download the app. Information you'll need. You'll need your name, address, age, phone number, and existing prescription RX number. To prepare, have pen and paper handy to record your account password and take notes. How do I fill a prescription? Once you download the app or go to the website, sign up for a new account by clicking Sign Up. Fill in your name, address, age, and any other information they prompt you for. Look up existing prescriptions by either using your name and age or by providing the RX number on your medication packaging. Select your preferences for your prescriptions. Examples such as automatic refills, delivery, or pickup, etc. Example, so one major pharmacy is CVS. So if you search CVS, you can go to the website, and this is what the front page will look like. And near the top right corner, you can see saying sign in or create an account. If you're new or have an existing account, you should click that. And if you do not have a previous account, you would have to enter your email address and you will have to put in your first name, last name, create a password to create a new account. Once you log in, you'll come to this page and you'll be able to view all your prescriptions, transfer your RX to CVS, view a financial summary, simple dose packs, manage family members, and manage automatic refills. You don't have to do any of this alone. All major pharmacies have staff on hand to walk you through setup and use. So if you're having trouble, you can give your pharmacy a call and ask for this service. Extra help. Most major pharmacies also have videos or written instructions to walk you through the particular online process, such as CVS, Costco, Walgreens, and Walmart. All have these videos as a link in the presentation. And Carly will present you with a live demo.
All right, I'm going to share my screen and we'll do a brief live demo of two of the major pharmacies that were mentioned in the presentation. So starting with CVS Pharmacy, which is available in the United States, so for American citizens. To get to this, you can either type in cvs.com/pharmacy into your search bar, or you can just search up CVS Pharmacy on whatever search engine you use, and it should be one of the first results that comes up. So here we can see the pharmacy website, and underneath it, some more info on COVID testing, store locator, and what we're looking for, pharmacy. So I'm going to click on that button right there, and it will take me to this main page. If I scroll down, I can see what options are available to me, including vaccinations, COVID-19 services in my area, reviews, prescription delivery. So I can click on any of these things if I'm interested in learning more. But let's say I'm convinced I want to sign up through CVS Pharmacy. So I'm going to press this Create an Account button in the top right-hand corner. And as shown in the presentation, to start off, you'll just need to put in your email address and press Continue. And then you'll have to fill in a few options, your first and last names, your password, and making sure that it meets the requirements, your cell phone number. However, this is optional, so you don't have to do that. Another optional feature is to receive text alerts about deals and rewards. Once again, you do not have to check this box if you do not want to receive those. And if you would like, you can also read the terms of use and privacy policy before creating your account. And whenever you're ready, you can press this Create Your Account button to complete that. Once you've created your account, you can sign in with your login information. So just press that Sign In button. Once again, you would put in your email address, press Continue, and then put in your password. And once you are logged in, it will take you to your personalized dashboard. So here we can see we can access everything we need from recent orders, prescription refills, and schedules to your family's prescription profile and health and drug resources all in one place. So again, we have some helpful information. It is recommending I sign up for a pneumonia vaccine. If I scroll down, I can manage my prescriptions with this button here or learn more. And if I scroll down to the bottom, I can see the options that are available to me. I can view all my prescriptions. I can transfer a prescription to CVS. So let's say I'm currently using a different pharmacy, but maybe I'm moving to a different location, or I just rather get my prescriptions through CVS instead. You can do this by clicking on this button to transfer it over. You can view your financial summary, learn about simple dose packs, manage family members. This is helpful if you are someone's caregiver and you want to be able to collect prescriptions for them. Then you can set up or update access to your family's prescriptions using this option here and manage automatic refills. So let's start by clicking on the View All Prescriptions button. Here's where you can see and refill your prescriptions, add new prescriptions, and access your CVS.com accounts. So if you have not yet connected your prescriptions, you'll need to start off by giving them access to your RX records. In order to do this, you will have to give them your phone number, your date of birth, and then press Find My RX Records. And then once you do this, you can refill your prescriptions in seconds and have them waiting for you at your pharmacy nearby. Get the latest information about your prescriptions. And if you are someone's caregiver, you can access family member prescriptions as well. There's also a few different options at the top. So here we can see all prescriptions, recent orders, again, transferring prescriptions, print current prescriptions if you want to be able to print them out and have a physical copy, and a prescription schedule, which can be handy if you need to know which pills you should be taking on which days and how often. We also have pharmacy settings, so here is automatic refill. So again, this is a feature you will need to add prescription access in order to enjoy. We also have messaging and alerts, and more settings. And then over here in health resources, even more handy information. We have the Drug Info Center, Drug Interaction Checker. So if you want to see how your prescription might interact with different types of medications or supplements or foods, then you should definitely check this one out. Pill Identifier, more info on scheduling a vaccine, and wallet card. So let's just click on the Drug Information Center to see what that looks like. So here you can enter your medication name or any kind of medication name. So it gives the example of Lipitor. So let's put that in and press search. And it will show me different names for the medication, an overview, how to get a prescription for it, uses and directions, side effects and warnings, and other really helpful information about this particular medication. So that's another handy feature that CVS Pharmacy offers with your accounts. And then whenever you are finished, you can just press the sign out button here and be logged out of your account. I am now going to briefly show how to access the London Drugs Pharmacy for Canadians. So just like with CVS, you can type in the name of your pharmacy, in this case London Drugs, into your search engine, and we are going to press on this button here where it says prescription refills to learn more about that. So, in the case of refilling prescriptions online with London Drugs, you do need to first create an account either in person or on the phone. That's just an extra measure of security to keep someone from impersonating your identity. So, you'll see here if you try to press create an account, it will tell you that if you have a temporary password, then you can use the sign in page. If you are new and want to create an account for the first time, please contact your local London Drugs pharmacy. And this webpage also has a handy pharmacy locator feature that you can use to find which London Drugs is closest to you by just typing in either your city or your postal code or your region. But on this main page, it does tell us a little bit about what you can expect if you sign up for an online account, such as delivery. You can transfer a prescription from another pharmacy or move your London Drugs prescriptions to a different pharmacy. And here we have the FAQs for frequently asked questions. And so if you have any confusion, this is a great place to go. For example, questions about will I receive a call when my medication is ready? What if I want to change the quantity filled? What does it say that I am too early? Why does it say I'm too early for a refill? And much more. And then if you do set up your account through your pharmacy, you will be given a user ID and a password that you can use to sign in. And that concludes today's presentation and live demonstration. Thank you very much for listening.